Wah, wah.
Oh, I can use geometry.
Okay, now that we know geometry can help us with our gardening, we need to review some of the transformations that will help us create the design we'd like. Today we have two special models, Jacob and Jonathan Harvey. If we were to look at quadrant 2, we have Jacob. We would like to perform the transformation of a reflection. To do this, we would need to take the original image and flip it and transplant it over on the other side. We have done this using his brother, Jonathan. Now, of course, we understand that the shirts would be the same if it was a true reflection, but what we've done is we've taken our original image and we've flipped all the points. Notice the arms of the boys, how his arm and his arm now show that these are mirrored images of each other. This transformation is called a reflection. The next transformation we'd like to perform is called a translation. A translation is a simple movement of an image down, left, right, or even diagonally. If we were to translate this shape the way we did, we will look at the point. So if I take this bottom corner here and I notice I'm at -4, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The x coordinates are in the same position, so we would say that we went down 6. And that is called a translation. The final transformation we will look at today is called a rotation. Rotations are simple. It's the turning of a shape. But what's important to know is that each rotation has a rotation point. So if I use this point right here as a rotation point, it will help us show where our image has been rotated to. I will take our second copy and we will imagine we're rotating around this point, and it will bring us to our new image location. Notice how the points on the original shape are still the same distance from the rotation point. Down and over, the same, up and over. Nothing's changed. Here are some real examples of gardens that have used geometric designs to become what they are. In this figure, if you look at all of the circles can be designed as simple translations from one spot to another. You may also look at these circles here as rotating around a center point as well. You should also be able to see some reflections between the garden pieces here as well. In this more complicated design, you're going to see a few more different pieces of geometry in play. Mostly in this section here is a series of rotations happening to make these designs the way they are. I would put a rotation point here and it would show this pink sliding over to be this red. You will see that in most designs of this garden that rotations are the dominant transformation. Finally, in our design here, you'll see a lot of symmetry created through the use of reflection. Okay. You might also be able to see some rotations amongst the pieces here, but not all, as well as some more reflections in those smaller triangles and trapezoidal pieces. Use the information from this video and the information you already know to create your own beautiful garden. Good luck!